Start. In our considered view, the decision of the adjudicating authority to entertain and to allow the request of the appellant bank for the filing of additional documents with supporting pleadings and to consider such documents and pleadings did not call for interference in appeal para after hearing the learned senior counsel for the appellant accused as well as learned counsel for the respondent state and having meticulously perused the material placed on record, the only question that falls for our consideration is whether the case of the appellant accused falls within the exception under section 84 of IPC or not. Para, it is a fundamental principle of criminal jurisprudence that an accused is presumed to be innocent and therefore the burden lies on the prosecution to prove the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Full stop. The prosecution, therefore, in a case of homicide, shall prove beyond reasonable doubt that the accused caused death with the requisite intention described in section 299 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop. This general burden never shifts and it always rests on the prosecution full stop, but as section 84 of the Indian Penal Code provides that nothing is an offense if the accused at the time of doing that act by reason of unsoundness of mind was incapable of knowing the nature of his act or what he was doing was either wrong or contrary to law full stop, this being an exception under section 105 of the Evidence Act, the burden of proving the existence of circumstances bringing the case within the said exception lies on the accused, and the court shall presume the absence of such circumstances full stop under section 105 of the Evidence Act. Read with the definition of shall presume in section 4 thereof. The court shall regard the absence of such circumstances as proved unless, after considering the matters before it, it believes that said circumstances existed on their existence was so probable that a prudent man ought, under the circumstances of the particular case, to act upon the supposition that they did exist full stop. To put it in other words, the accused will have to rebut the presumption that such circumstances did not exist by placing material before the court sufficient to make it consider the existence of the said circumstances so probable that a prudent man would act upon them full stop. The accused has to satisfy the standard of a prudent man full stop if the material placed before the court, such as oral and documentary evidence, presumptions, admissions, or even the prosecution evidence, satisfies the test of prudent man, the accused will have discharged his burden full stop. The evidence so placed may not be sufficient to discharge the burden under Section 105 of the Evidence Act, but it may raise a reasonable doubt in the mind of a judge as regards one or other of the necessary ingredients of the offense itself. Full stop. It may, for instance, raise a reasonable doubt in the mind of the judge whether the accused had the requisite intention laid down in Section 299 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop.